Hello guys, I just wanted to do a quick review of the today's price action and the trade I took in the live streaming. So this was the 8:30 a.m. news. So we have market opening here. If you see on a weekly level, weekly range price has already moved a lot and when never retraced. So we can expect 20 to 30% retracement into the weekly level. So just mark the low and high of the week and we'll mark the TGIF. So these two levels are 20% and 30% respectively. So we are targeting the minimum 20% level. So I was targeting minimum 20% level. So okay. Since it's 1 hour. Sorry. So on a 15-minute chart, we have this bullish fair value gap. So when price closes below this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I was anticipating to go short, but price was just consolidating post 9:30 a.m. It did not give any clear indication. So when price went back up and rejected from the 50% of this wick, and we closed, this candle closed below all these up close candles, opening this candle just breached opening of this all up close candles. This gave me the confirmation that this is going to become a bearish order block. This is the 15-second chart. So as soon as we had this rejection, this is the 15-second chart. So as soon as we had this rejection from the 50% of this wick and price closed below all these up close candles on a 1-minute chart, and we had this breaker, this series of down close candles with a fair value gap. So I immediately went short here, and my initial target was, this was the first swing low, and you can see how this 20% retracement at the weekly level is exactly aligning with this swing low. So my first partial was here and the second partial, and I exited my trade here, the 20% retracement. So this was my entry. On a 15-second chart, this is the first presented bearish fair value gap. First presented bearish fair value gap. So as soon as we had this rejection, we can see the retracement into this 15-second first presentation bearish fair value gap. Price never went above it. We had few wicks, but bodies never closed above this 15-second bearish fair value gap, and we had a good rejection. So this gave me further confirmation to hold my short. So again, price came back into this bearish fair value gap. Again, we had this rejection, beautiful rejection. Again rejection, again into this bearish fair value gap, again rejection. So this was my short position. And my stop loss was 50% of this bearish order block somewhere here, and my take profit, my first partial was below this swing low, and I closed trade below the swing low. So this was my trade, guys. You can watch it on the live stream also. If I could have hold it, I could have targeted this new day opening gap, which aligns with 30% of the retracement level, weekly retracement level. This is 20% and this is 30%. But I exited here and I closed my trade here. So once we had this meltdown, post 11 a.m., we can expect some kind of retracement. So this blue zone is a bullish fair value gap and a daily chart. This is a daily chart, guys. On a daily chart, this is a bullish fair value gap. We can wait for the macro window 10:50 to 11:10. We can see once price hits this bullish fair value gap, we had a shift in market structure. These two down close up close candles, when price engulfed these two down close up close candles, we had a bullish order block, and price never closed below this 1 minute fair value gap, first presentation on 27th August. So this is another confirmation. So we could have gone long. Once price closes, once this down close candle closes above this 1 minute fair value gap, we have a confirmation that price is going to reverse. So we could have gone long here, and our stop loss would be below this swing low, and our target would be the recent swing high, which is nothing but this equal highs. So this would have been our target. So this is a small scalp, guys. So we could have taken two trades. One is the TGIF trade and this is the reversal trade. And these are the trades I took. And these were the first two trades. Then I made some stupid mistakes. I lost some trades in the chop and consolidation. Once I got my direction right, then I went short and I recovered everything. I made around $2,800, around $3,000 in profit. So that's it, guys. Thank you.